We're out on another adventure, and today we get a sponsor on a seasoning, so show no. See, Jamaica Valley. And this is curry powder, same brand, and this is chicken, you know? Alright. We have the chicken again. And we have season to the bone. So, respect. So one piece season, you know. Yeah, man. And also, Scotch bonnet pepper there, same way. You know? Yeah, man. We're in Darcy to the world, Jamaica Valley. You see it? And you just see, we're in the hills and the valley. So we are cook up a storm, you know. I want to know, check it out. Run to the supermarket. Go and check it out. Jamaica Valley. Yeah, man. Got them off, man.
I put 9 dealers on.
I know. And some season you get Jamaica Valley. We are use them for deal with the thing and make the food nice. So we are first we are use them and we are promote that thing at Jamaica Valley, Jamaica product. Run to the supermarket and find them.
See, Jamaica Valley, chicken seasoning. Yeah, man. So we are in Darcy one to the world. Run to the all supermarket, island wide. Check it out. See? One get a little taste when I use it. You can know the limit. Yeah, man, it's a lovely night, well level. We jump to curry powder, that's how we reach. Remember, we are curry chicken. Watch what go on. See it. New on the market, check it out. Jamaica Valley, and we in the hills and the valley, the forest. Having fun.
The curry pork. I don't know if you're new to it or you're used to it, but curry pork this today.
I remember we are curry the pork, you know, with the Jamaica Valley. In the hills and the valley. Yeah.
Bad curry.
Bad curry.
foot nine villa go.
You can put that in there. Where is it?
At Twitter.
How we prepare there? Nicolo. And so you prepare, you know. This mistake what we do now. You know, we can go and pick here. I used to see now, so to cut up and sit now. Man, just chop up the same way. Second now I'm going with a couple seconds work the way I'm going. Where is it? See the guys there. There.
Have some ducks, local raised Jamaican ducks.
As you can see, so we are going to fry some barra too. Yeah. We are going to curry the duck. Yeah.
Just sitting with the duck.
We are going to slap the duck with some my Jamaica Valley. Curry there, curry powder, Jamaica Valley.
Body get used to it.
So I like all Advil and anything and make your body break sometimes.
My whole for editing here.
Yeah, my people. Today it's all about the baby food. So we are cook some food. After you eat them food, you're going to make baby. You listen in the background, you never talk about baby. You talk about in the baby. Yeah, last time well, if Rasta eat this food, I don't make a baby. He deserve to get dash way. And the prepper, yeah. Big Nick.
Big Nick over here.
Time to go to work. See cat and Ross, what they ain't already. And see cat they ain't come here. Yeah man, the sea cat there man. There's a punch in the back man, a pay fist down there. Hoop hoop, hoop hoop. I want to buy private man. And when you know we can call I want the banner. Chuck the rat down here now.
A fresh chuck with the pan, man.
You know, so what more than respond is already. So we're looking at truck back.
A whole chuck in them, man.
And you hold on now, you know?
Nah, man. Still in my 20s, man.
You should get about 6. It's all about life in the hills for people. You cook it in full drive, Mother Nature.
It's running now, let it go.
Let it go, let it go, let it go.
I don't want to see food on an hour. It's very much.
Shut you before, you know?
So that's the idea, so you follow your first time eat Nicholas for the life, come and change the name for the life.
You don't come up with that.
Yo! You don't youth!
Yeah, alright, for drop man, I'll put this on a chicken pot.
Hurrah! Hurrah!
Where's the duck?
Why? Duck, pork and chicken.
That's why I drop man.
Trouble. Yo.
You said that I'm turn over over there.
Yeah.
Wait now, me a come here go just me do my video, my night food video. I want to do it.
Yeah, put the pork. Yeah, put the pork with the chicken, man.
You up there now?
One Rasta there.
Oh, what else there?
Rasta, where? I am about to chicken.
I'm going to find that.
You don't want to try pork eyes for your lip. I run Rasta there. Rasta eat pork and chicken today.
Oh, yo, Nanny. See girl, I want to test it.
Bomba!
Go there, Maya.
Oh.
See that? Ducking the duckies. Ducks on ducks. Broad duck.
That's not going to put in your body.
Stand there. Pull your crow down.
They duck me.
This yeah, how much time you got this stuff?
I don't know.
What
I'm not the good one. Give the duck next week. Can't done.
they say duck make you do?
You what?
Ah, you make you do.
I don't want to do
What they say duck make you do?
Don't disturb me.
Tell me why duck make you do?
I'm a Christian, I'm baptized.
What? See cat there, man.
Hello, it's internet, the body.
In the trial there. Tell them something you know about them. And them know say you know. No, you say no, no. You say hello. You say yes, hello.
Me, definitely.
But that's, oh, yeah, you hear me still. Yeah, I go and do it. While me over here, I go and do it and I beg.
We just give it too long. We used to have whole heap about and teeth them way. And dog it too many about their home.
Watch it.
No, too many about their home all the time. But now me their home so me could fix. I wanna sit down and I when I your mother's day.
You hear funny live?
Oh, sing it.
Yeah, what go on now? And some season we get Jamaica Valley. We are use them for deal with the thing and make the food nice. So we are first we are use them and we are promote that thing at Jamaica Valley, Jamaica product. Run to the supermarket and find them. Make food.
Well, them are new pan the market.
Look like say Inter go get one thing and to ask for.
Nobody no come out.
Yeah man, so you know me have to pull it. See Jamaica Valley chicken seasoning. Yeah man. So we are endorse that one to the world. We run to the all supermarket. Island wide. Check it out.
You know phone, you know buy internet.
See it?
I never buy internet yet. Yeah.
One get a little taste, come on know how salty it is. So when I use it, I can know the limit. Yeah man, the salt lovely night, well level. Man, so we jump to curry powder, that's how we reach. Remember we are curry chicken. Watch what go on. See it. New on the market. Check it out. Jamaica Valley. And we in the hills and the valley, the forest. Having fun.
Did you hear that before? I watched that right away from 10 years ago.
You are Friday day, I'm going to cook some food, you know.
Look. You tap me.
Yeah, you fi season and taste, brother.
Me no do that, I cook. Me cook and eat.
Let me taste the season.
Ah, that good. That good. That
That
good.
good, man.
Let's taste your dinner, man.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, what is that?
Some season still good.
No curry.
No. Time file.
Yeah, the season he have in everything in it. Yeah, man, when you cook, you don't have to cook with no salt or nothing. Straight season to the bone. Yeah, man. Nice seasoning. Yes, good. Which one?
Yeah, welcome to the natural life. Hills. There with Barra Bass. Twinny.
How much you lick this morning?
Four Barra in front this morning. 4 Barra. Actually, me never did it. Many them would have shoot.
I know say today come like a blessed day. I see about 11 dolphin. 11 dolphin. Live in color. Big dolphin. Me not show them. Dolphin, me not go shot dolphin. I'm glad. Because me know say no shark now did it. Once me see dolphin, me not have afraid because me know say shark them now come cross.
Shark afraid of dolphin.
I beat them and mash them up.
So you see them put... You know, say you're ruffian. You're sharp.
Oh.
Hello, Abbas, you want? It's in the ground for them, I don't want them.
Rolling through the nigga.
No.
See, cat. Yeah, now them something we have for the minute. And we are get trouble, so we are get trouble to play football, make nice, anything we are doing.
Someone damn promoting.
Hello, me hello.
One ring. Actually, they want new internet.
Mad. Alright, do me this.
3-month-old duck fit up.
Yes, do me.
Oh, me apple. One pan.
This is the curry pork. I don't know if you're new to it or you're used to it, but a curry pork this today.
That can't turn.
Where? I sweet this thing this. I feel
Pick them out.
kinda.
I remember we are curry the pork, you know, with the Jamaica Valley. In the hills and the valley. Yeah.
Bad curry.
Bad curry.
That's a bun somewhere. Yeah, some we are swing them off. That means that they're not sure.
Well, advise you to say small here.
And I look like a black and white though.
You not ready yet, man.
Even like that fight, yeah. They literally never cut off that fight yesterday because of Tuni. Because of Tuni. Yes, I'm on the score back.
How score?
Yeah, that's what it is.
I feel.
I don't believe that this should throw away. Look on it. This is the duck tail. We don't throw. We pass us nose. We don't throw away. And the man them a cut it off. That makes sense. If he sees into the skin and the bone.
Pass us nose.
That's why him chat so you never depart.
Yes, guys, today here I fry some bar now. Yeah. I'll well hot.
That's why you better chat like that. I will my feet very oily, so I don't want more oily.
Aaron! Come here!
Pastor's jack.
I that you say I eat that.
Pastor's nose.
Rub down the body here, boy, a BBL. That one they get BBL shot.
Rub down the BBL.
Mine is out, boy. Rub it down, Kenny.
You see the way you stand.
No man, from what they are pay tough fees I said no man. They have to go outside and say take me on well. Yeah.
Them cost tough, man.
Tuni tail sizzle. Boy, that hot.
The Heil bag.
You see my steam from the top.
The Heil bag a bun up.
Yeah, the bag of
The Heil in that thing up. And I battle that in a Heil bag.
Yeah, the bag.
But the bag did a
Grown and next side. Grown and next side.
Yeah, man, I feel that.
It's a Champions League semi-final.
Yeah, clans.
Squeeze in more.
That blow a compressor get low.
Give me one bun up. God. Yeah, big chef with the butter.
Compressor, God. No, see, pork, I said.
Ready.
The man is come up, I feel and hook up the wine. Just pray like so. The referee come in and middle with the ball already. The man is just come up, I feel and the idea is to make them shot and chick off his feet and give me a bite. Mr. Me and me holding the eye like I'm watching on the side right now to cut the rod and Mr. Yeah, watching in Mr. Me only two wedding crab, Mr.
Sorry, Leighton. Right there.
Yeah, man. Real Jamaica Valley. And we in the hills and the valley, the forest, cooking. Yeah, natural, natural.
This is short and some for my boy.
Yeah, some man you know what talk about. So
I ain't suffering. Your birthday must
You can't jump back over now. You can't jump over back.
small dice are medium.
This are the chicken.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
I'm tell you, fix me my drink.
Yeah, man.
Give me this or this and more. And when he cook, when he tell me, I need to chop bomb buckle and knife sitting in the whole of me. You feel it come from it too, so much. You might play ball. You know, see it yet. Wait there. Them not think I rice upon the fire. I want one. Oh, an extra rice then. An extra rice then.
Hungry, me hungry. Need some food.
I'm gonna put too much trash on it. Fire blade. Where's the under fire? Wood under fire. Put three under the wood. Now that's under the blade.
A pure smoke. You want a soak?
We have some lobster, you say, you know. Curry chicken. Yeah, man, I curry chicken this right, yes, sir. Yeah, man, this is curry duck. Rice and peas. And I put this here, so you're right, yes, sir. So you know, so share we are going to share out, you know. Sure, go on. Night and fall a bit, you know. See it? Ball a roll same way. When a bun sweat. Fire side still active.
Thank Thank you.
Oh, Pastor? I don't want that. No, thank you.
Rasta, you this.
Rasta that man, a pork Rasta one.
Give me the food,
Give up on.
Yo,
We are the Rasta.
Sammy, I want the
You
floor.
Rasta plate of pork.
just line up meat, man. Only one, one man must sit down there and he know eat them.
Lobster.
I'm to Anika.
Just my pumpkin. Oi, oi!
Yeah, it did look like you expect if it tastes any
No,
different.
me I try.
I know you'll be investigating Rasta.
Rasta eat pork.
In the register yet. You don't register yet.
That's some fish and bar I'm there dying, no? Yeah, man.
Fish and barra, or fish and lobster, barra and lobster.
Nah, man. You know what thing go? Take up lobster, show them. Here, lobster, you know? Well, man. I eat, man.
Think a white shirt have a key. Odi, let the key find him now. You want to say the key? Nick, what you say, Nick? Food.
Mama Brown.
2 spoons of rice. I got it. No shell. No shell. No shell. No chicken, man. You know, no chicken. And if you gotta get those 6 drink out there.
Stretch it, stretch it. Stretch it.
The only thing you know me have to go for bed.
A rasta creepy
It's a
pot.
tape, Gaza and a rape. Lobster and something, you know? Right, man. Brawling, no? So you stop work it up, man. Brawling, no?
Rasta where that you eat.
Lobster, me I eat, man.
You sure?
Yeah, man.
Good enough. Let's take what this is.
Eh? Lobster, me dad. See them?
Okay.
Brawling, man. Nobody come fuck around and stop food, and you see Rasta now. Sure.
Rasta not eat, Rasta dine.
Yeah.
Stop asking the Rasta when I eat, ask him when I dine.
That's one of the things Rasta say, I eat lobster.